Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a very exciting video. Today I just got in the mail from Sephora. I saw these were brand new from Fenty Beauty. I just had to do a review on them because there was only 2 of them and there's 6 of them. So yeah, I don't know. I really wanted to do a lip swatching video for you guys. Yeah, I don't know. I'm really excited about this. If you want to keep watching this video, let's get into it, right? What? Anyway. So I kind of just nuded out my lips with the foundation. So let's open it. So first of all, this is Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. I feel so weird with no lipstick on. But anyway, so this is Summer Days and Summer Nights. So these are the iridescent lip luminizer trios. So they on the Sephora Canadian website, they are $40 each. So $80 I paid out of my own money, but I saw them and I snatched them and I was like, I have to do a video for you guys. So anyways, Summer Days comes in, this one is called Single. It's like a blue kind of cool color. Bilingual is like an orangey. They're all sparkly, so they all shift. And then the last one is Ready to Mingle. So here they are out of the packaging. So let's try the first one. I'm so excited. Can we talk about this color? Like, oh my god. So this one is Single. So if you are single and ready to mingle, super cute packaging. Doesn't deposit that much product. Oh, there we go. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see that. There is a bit of color on it. So basically, you can either wear it solo. So this is solo, single solo. You can wear it over matte lip color for a hypnotic shade shifting effect. So we're just gonna do like this. This is what it is without anything underneath it. I think it's pretty. So that one is Single, so it kind of shifts to like a blue purple. So the next color in the kit is Bilingual. This is a more orangey sparkly color. So I nuded out the lips again. Oh my god, this is so cool. Oh, I like that. That's really nice. Oh my god, these are so creamy. Like, feels like butter, like it's crazy. So that's like a really nudie. Yeah, I think I put too much on. Yeah, it's like really orangey pink. Like it's super cute. Like I love it. I would wear this. Like honestly, I would wear this. This is crazy. That's like really nice. I'm really like a fan of this. So the next color is Ready to Mingle. I love it because it's like single, bilingual, and ready to mingle. Like how cute is that? So nuded on my lip again. This is the purple color. Oh my god, that's so pretty. You guys, like they feel so nice. Hella moisturizing. Whoa, what's going on with the laps? Really nice. So that is the Summer Days. Now we're gonna open up the Summer Nights, which are a little bit darker. But they're really sheer, but they're really fierce. The first one is called Snakeskin, the second is Mermaid Thighs, and the third is VAYCRAY. How funny. So the first one we are trying is Snakeskin. Ooh, that's a really nice shift to it. Oh my god. Oh. Wow. It looks like snakeskin. Wow, that's cool. Like the scales. That is like gorgeous. Oh my god. I don't know, it's hard to see with these lights because they keep ruining it for me, but yeah, that's such a beautiful like a brown green shade. Like really pretty. I'm really impressed. The next one is Mermaid Thighs. That's so funny. So it's a dark blue to purple shift. Wow, like, oh my god. That's like really fun. It's more like a gray. Yeah, I see like the purple, but it's more like a gray. Like it's kind of blue, like it's more of a gray. There you go, that's better. Why is it not working with the other ones? The last one is VAYCRAY. So it's more of a pinky goldy kind of shift. Oh my god. Oh, this is like the perfect topper. Oh my god, I love it. I'm gonna swatch all of them at the back of my hand. So the first one is single. I'm just gonna leave like a chunk so you see like the color. There's the shift. As you can see, it's blue. It's really, really pretty. I just wish my lighting would be better, but it is what it is. So that is single. The second is a bilingual. Oh, it's really pretty, like ridiculously pretty. So there's the orange and it's really, really fun. I think it's a perfect topper, especially for the summer, for the day, so really nice. The next one is Ready to Mingle and it's the purple one. Single, bilingual, and Ready to Mingle. So the Ready to Mingle is a really, really pretty pink and purple. So really, really pretty. So now moving on to Snakeskin. Oh my god, it's like a brown green. Oh, this is like my favorite color. I've had this color on my nails before, like as a hologram. Is that what it's, holographic? Yeah, super good. Super pretty. Second color is Mermaid Thighs. And you don't even need a lot, which is so amazing with these things. So that is Mermaid Thighs. Look how cute. Oh, that blue is in purple is so pretty. Oh my god. So nice. And the last one is VAYCRAY. This one's a really good topper. Yeah, I'm just really like, I love it. Oh my god. So yeah, the gold and the peachy pink, like it's such a pretty topper. Oh my god, so pretty. So those are the swatches of the lipsticks, and I don't want this video to be too long, so I would have done a lipstick whatever with it, but I just feel like just having a bare lip and putting that on just adds an extra something. Any kind of color will definitely pop, that's for sure, and you don't need much. This was such a fun video to film. I'm so happy that I got my hands on these. I feel like with them being out just for the summer, if you want, you can get your hands on them. I would. Yeah, summertime I love lipsticks and lip glosses mostly. Wintertime I love liquid lipsticks. But yeah, other than that, that's the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment below on what you want to see in the next video, or just let me know if there's any lipsticks that I should try and do another lip swatch video. I'd love to do. I just wish my lights were a little bit better, but hey, we're getting there, right? Don't forget to subscribe to keep up with me. I do weekly videos. So yeah, with that being said, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, love you. Mwah.
I'm riding solo, I'm riding solo. Ah-da-da-do-do, ah-diggy-do-do, ah-diggy-do-do, ah-diggy-do, 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 ah-diggy-do.